Hi, I'm Ray McCormack. Welcome to Training Minutes. In this segment, we're going to talk about the rope stretch. The rope stretch could be one of your fastest stretches, and it will definitely cut down on the amount of hose you use to get to the fire area. One of the things you need is a rope bag. Now, I could either drop this rope to the ground or play it out by hand from the bag itself. Playing it out by hand makes sure that if there is an entanglement in this bag, I can fix the problem from here. If I throw the bag and there's an entanglement, I'll have to pull up the bag from wherever it lands and start over again. You're good? When performing a rope stretch, it's critical that you bring in enough dry hose to finish your stretch. If the stretch is to the floor above, in this case, we would need 3 lengths brought in through this window. Once we have the correct amount of hose into the occupancy on the floor below, we can charge the line with water. Prior to that, you'll be encumbered by lifting hose that's wet already. In this scenario, we pulled 3 lengths of hose through the window. That's enough hose to get us to the floor above. 1 for this occupancy, 1 for the staircase, and 1 for the fire occupancy above. That's our minimum amount of hose we want to pull into the window. Now, if fire should go to the next floor above that, to the top floor, if we brought in 1 more length, 4, we'd have enough hose to get to that as well. A rope stretch can be the fastest stretch you undertake or your worst nightmare. Make sure you're all set up to go. Bring in the correct amount of hose through the window. Make sure you have enough to get to where you want to go, and a little extra never hurts. I'm Ray McCormack. This has been Training Minutes.